guys, welcome to my channel. So get ready with me. I'm just trying to pack some lunch to go to work, and this is what I'm having now. I'm making some tea over here, and Olivia is at home. I have to make lunch for her too. So right now I'm getting some rice. This is fish and some vegetables because the baby girl has to eat healthy. So guys, I hope everybody has been doing okay. Thanks guys for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. We are getting there soon, and may God bless you. So, oh yeah, I'm boiling some tea, and guess what I got yesterday? I got a cup. This is a cup. I'll be carrying my tea with this one because I've been buying these other cups like these ones, and then they are breaking up. Like, let me show you. You see, these are all broken. This one was so expensive. It was like 50 bucks. This one, at least there were two of them, 40 bucks. So this one, what's happening with this one, the cover is started leaking after maybe 2-3 months. You want to say hello?
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, so Olivia is here saying hello, and so now these ones are not working anymore. Oh my goodness, my tea is boiling. So I said this time around I'll be buying a different cup. I'm not buying that one you can.
You got a blue one.
And so
You got the blue one?
I'll put some milk in that tea because it has been boiling for a while. See this? I like lots of milk in my tea. I know some people don't like too much milk in their tea, but I like a lot of milk in my tea. So I got Olivia's lunch over here. So I'll give her more rice. I know. Oh, jeez. What's the spoon? I want the real spoon. Okay, it's here. Can be careful, the tea is hot. She don't eat much.
Why not?
This is not much. I'm just warming it in a cup. Can you believe Olivia eats this much food? I have to warm it with I have to measure it with this cup. This is a very tiny cup. Because every time I warm it in a plate, she doesn't finish it. She's wasting food. So, anyway, I understand. So I'll warm this for this little munchkin. And I warm it for how many minutes? Maybe 1 minute and 40 seconds, because she takes forever to eat. She'll eat it from now, it's 12. She'll finish that food 2 o'clock. She is giving me a look over there. She's like, just stop it. She is like, just stop it. But I'm telling you, don't throw anything on me. So, this is a nice bottle. I drink these 2 of them per day. I think it's maybe like 8 glasses of water per day. Anyway, right now I'm trying to make some tea over there. Hopefully I won't pour in the thing. And then I'm packing the water to bring to work. I like to bring my water from home because my tap has a filter. I don't like bottled water. Yeah, so I'll pack this one. It's there. And then the tea, I'll put it in this one. This is for my tea now. And there's the cup. So I'll just be pouring in a cup, drinking, pouring, drinking. This one, it was like that box, which is like it's worthy, because this one it won't break like the other ones, you know. Yeah, so let's come here and pack the other lunch. I have some rice left over here, so this is what I'm gonna bring. Nowadays I'm trying to eat less rice because I eat too much carbs because of my so this is Olivia's food. See? Ooh, it's warm. And then for Olivia to like it, I'll put a little bit of butter in it. Not too much, just a little. enough. Just a little. Just a little. Because it has some dengo in there. I don't know if you know what dengo is. Some kind of lentils and fish and cabbage and rice and tomatoes and everything in there. Okay, so I'll mix the food for this little cute pie. Your food is almost ready. And then after you eat this, you drink some water and then I give you dessert. What do you want for dessert, madam?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. Your wish is my command. Okay? And the tea is cooked. So,
Why are you cooking tea?
I like to bring my tea to work. You know, African dessert is tea. After I eat my dinner, I want to drink my tea. Okay, that's your food, but it's a little bit hot. Just give it time. I was charging my computer here. I don't know if it's charged. So, I was charging my computer, but I have to get it out of there because Olivia needs space to eat. Mommy, I don't want to keep on telling you today, eat, but it's hot, okay? Just give it maybe 4 minutes for it to cool down a little bit, okay?
Tell me when.
And you didn't change your pajamas yet? Before you start eating, please change.
Really?
I brought your clothes over. Who are you calling rude?
You.
You won't be with pajamas the whole day. I brought some clothes over there, Mama.
I know. I'm changing.
Oh, okay.
Privacy.
Oh, privacy, good job. Oh, my girl is growing. She said she has to go change in her room. Privacy. I love that. I'm loving that, Olivia. I'm loving that. Okay, so it's time to put this tea in this bottle thing. It's like a bottle thing. A tea bag. I like mine to have to stay with the tea bag over there. I don't know if I put it, I will be dropping this thing when I'm trying to serve my tea later. Guys, can I see? I'll see you on the next because now I have to finish up and eat and go. I just came here to just say hello and just to tell you, ta-da! I'll be posting more now. Lately, I've been posting once a week, but now I'll try to post more. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you on the next one. So I have to pack my food because this is my food. As you can see, I have one container. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dun, 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 dun. This is cabbage. This is meat. This is beans. This is rice. So that's what I'm packing for dinner. For dinner to take to work. Thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Olivia said bye.